So I've been working on a series of videos for my baking business to try and promote it and maybe get more viewership. And while I was editing this new video on cheesecake brownies, I came across this crazy clip and I didn't even know what to think. Here it is. So, I have no idea what it is. Unfortunately, I had stopped the overhead camera, so you can't see my face reflection in the video, and also you can't see it. You can see my arm, but you can't see it on the side view video that I was doing. But you can see that I don't react. My dog doesn't react. Now, he was running around. He was locked away from the kitchen, but he was running around by the front door. And so he didn't react. I didn't react. So neither of us heard it at the time. And I have absolutely no idea what it is. But the one thing that's good is that clearly it is a happy ghost. So there you go. We have our own little ghost. I don't know. So let me know what you think.